Tea time with Trav. I don't allow people to tell my story for me because they're always going to reinvent it however they want to. They're going to want to make it to sound as entertaining as possible. So I try to add stuff to it. Nobody can expose me. I'll expose myself. What's going on, y'all? It's Ayootravv and I'm back. I'm back again. Yo, my hair's all over the place because today is wash day. No. Yeah, today is wash day. I was going to do it tomorrow, but I really know I need to do it today. But anyway, I had Jamaican food, y'all. And what do I have? I have jerk chicken. I have a jerk chicken salad because y'all say I don't eat salad. I don't. Then I have a little lunch portion of brown stew chicken. Oh, okay. I'm right now. Trying to fall all over the place. I'm sitting right there. I'm saying, Grayson, we're going to start eating. Father God, I come today to ask you to watch over this food. Please let it be nourishment to my body. Please let me not digest this food properly. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen. One more time. Amen. How was y'all day going today? I don't know what kind of dressing this is, but I'm going to eat it anyway. Because I ain't about to eat no... Oh, y'all see that? I ain't about to eat no salad that ain't got nothing on there. I know y'all probably shocked that I got a salad anyway. Hell, I'm shocked. I can't even go lie. They could have gave me a little bit more dressing. But that's fine, I guess. All right now, let me keep that. But let me get a couple of lettuce. Now, why this lettuce got to be so dang on big? Can I get a cherry tomato on here? Dang. Okay, there we go. Oh my God. This dressing is good. Yeah, I don't know what kind of dressing that is. But it's good. Should actually. Okay. Oh my God. This is good too. I don't get brown stew that often. I think I've had like once before. Maybe twice, I'm not sure. That's good. Something is wet on this table. I put my elbow in it. It might have been this thing right here. Y'all actually have that going? If not, I'm sorry. How was your day going today? Mine was going good. I woke up and I was starving. And I wanted some Jamaican food. So, here we are, by boom, by bam. Drove 37 minutes to get it. Y'all know I used to get extra jerk sauce on the side. Dip my chicken in, but I was in such a rush. All-Star Weekend is in Atlanta. This place in downtown Atlanta. I want no parts. So I was trying to get up out of there. Quick. Quick, fast, and wet. In a hurry. I need another water. I know it's drinking right now. One second, y'all. I'm about to go get some more water. Excuse me. All right, y'all. I'm back. So since we had it, tea time with Trav. Y'all know one thing I don't do is I don't allow people to tell my story for me. Nope. I don't allow people to tell my story because they're always going to reinvent it however they want to. They're going to want to make it to sound as entertaining as possible. So try to add stuff to it. Nobody can expose me because I'll expose myself. Okay? You can't tell on me. I'll tell on myself. I'm an open book. I don't just walk around telling everybody my business. No. But if I do something or say something or what have you, I'm not ashamed to say it. If I was, I wouldn't have did it in the first place. And that's why I hate when people try to put your business out as if you're embarrassed. You got to be embarrassed to do something you shouldn't have did it. But now, it's like the game of telephone. I know y'all played telephone when y'all was younger. You have a messenger. They whisper that message into one person's ear, and it goes all the way down to the line, and the last person has to say it. Somewhere in between there, stories are going to get mixed up. People are going to add their own words. They're going to take their own words out. They're going to spice it up. They're going to juice it up however they see fit. Can't nobody juice up my story but me. I know my story. And this is, I'm not saying that this is, excuse me, that anything like this happened recently, but I was talking to a friend and something like this happened to him. So this is why this topic is coming up. Well, people will do that. And they, like I said, they add their own lies to it or spins because it's so much easier to believe a lie than to believe the truth. And people don't want to go back. People are messy. They're messy. They want something to talk about. And if it's not juicy enough, they're going to make it juicy. I feel like my life and life experiences are juicy enough. You gotta add to it. There were times where somebody would come up to me, oh, I heard you did, da da da, you said, da da da. Yeah, I did. Yeah. I did. Now what? Like, people come at you when they hear stuff that's allegedly embarrassing or whatever, and they expect you to lie about it. They expect you to not be real. What I'm lying for? You obviously already know. What's the point of me trying to hide it? I never understood that. Now, I could see if it was to protect something, but, sure. I came up closet years ago. Well, like to everybody, 10 years ago. I ain't got nothing that I need to hide that would hurt me these days because that was the biggest skeleton that was in my closet, and she popped right on out. Boop, hello, I'm gay. That, like, the skeleton jumped out. So, I don't care. And then so let something happen between two people, right? That's supposed to stay between those two people. One person, when they try to tell their side of the story because they want to get it off their chest, excuse me, they're going to make it seem like they are as innocent as possible. They are. Always. Because they know they was wrong, but they want to be less wrong. If they're less wrong, it'll take some of the attention off of what they did and pointing at the other person because they were more in the wrong. No. Both of y'all was in the wrong. Why would that fall off like that? I don't like that about people. Both of y'all wrong. If I'm dating somebody, I'm dating somebody and they sleep with my friend. Or it's an ex and they sleep with my friend. Whatever the case may be. I don't care about who told me first. Now, I mean, I will be like, thank you. Did you have the decency to tell me when the other person didn't? But I don't care. That's not going to make me think that you're less of a scumbag. I don't care who initiated it. I don't care who did what to who. If you just did something to them or they did something to you, the other person allowed it. So both y'all in the wrong. I don't care. People always be like, oh, I didn't cheat. He or she kissed me. You didn't stop them, fool. You're wrong. You're wrong. Now I understand the stop pockets out here is gonna push themselves up on you, but if you don't do your job in stopping it, you're just as wrong as them. I don't care. I don't care. I don't like stuff like that. I don't like when somebody try to go, oh, I'm gonna be the first to tell it. I'm gonna do. If you're gonna be messy and run and tell a story, tell that story how it happened. You're gonna tell somebody that says, quote me verbatim. Don't add no words. Don't leave none out. Don't change your tone. Use the same tone that I use. I'm still gonna think you messy, but I respect you more because you were real. You were honest. Well, I can learn everything off. Big old bites. Big old bites. Big chicken, big old bites. I already thought I know what song got that from, and I just remixed it. No, I didn't realize how much food I ordered. I just want y'all to know that. No, I'm definitely getting full. Yeah, I love water. Whether it's ice cold, a nice little chill, or ice cold. Wait, did I say ice cold? Room temperature. I don't know. Those three. Room temperature, a little chill, or ice cold. Someone didn't say. That's what I was supposed to say. I like those. Some people are, oh, I can only drink water at room temperature. You a lie. Ice cold be busting. 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 Now this salad definitely could use a little bit more dressing. A little bit. Little itty bitty, teeny weeny. Boop. Now y'all tell me how y'all feel about people spreading your business. Of course, it's nothing that none of us like. It's not. But some people are more open. Now, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Some people are reserved. But how would you handle somebody telling business of yours that it's not that you tried to keep a secret, but it's not other people's business, basically? Do you own up to it? Do you deny it? Or do you plead the fifth? Which one? I know people that do all of the above. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now, in reality, it's not anybody's business. If they didn't know, it was a reason why they didn't know. But ain't nothing like owning up to what you did. I know bone. Walk on vomit. What am I for? Duh. This back here is rice and peas, y'all. I ate all the brown stew up out of it. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. I feel like I told you I was in full 5 minutes when I'm still eating. Make it make sense, y'all. Make it make sense. Good job. No, I am full. That's all now. Woo! Just eat it. Yeah, I promise I'm full. Okay. I'm done. Now I'm thirsty again because I put food in my mouth. Hold on, wait a minute. There we go. Boom. You already know, if you haven't checked out the website, it is in the description box below. www.ayootravv.com. They can get to AO merch, AO drip, crew necks, hoodies, t-shirts, all that. You can get to AO sauce when they go back on sale. I'm not gonna tell y'all date because they're gonna jump down my throat if it don't happen, but I'm pretty sure it's the date that I have in mind. I'm like 99.9% sure. But what else? I don't have any other announcements. New AO sauce coming soon. That is an announcement, but I already told y'all that already. I'm still working on it. I told y'all about the new merch that's coming. Yes, I'm working on it as well. Other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, the red button right there, boom, hit it right there, boom. So you can be notified each and every time I drop a video. But if you want to stay connected with Ayootravv, y'all jump back into the description box, go down to the bottom, brr, boom. Y'all probably like, where's the other hand? It was on my leg. I don't know why. Brr, boom. Right there. And all day you can see me on social media. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, you already know. Add me. Follow me. Leave me a comment on Instagram. Leave me a comment Leave me a comment here. Do whatever. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you want to say, what you don't want to say, what you want me to eat, what you don't want to eat, all the jazz on the sun. Other than that, it's been real. Ayootravv is out. Peace.